This is a packet tracer video on troubleshooting RIP. And the first thing we need to do is we're going to troubleshoot and resolve configuration issues related to RIP. And so we're going to select each PC and determine the current status of connectivity. So we're going to go to PC 1. 10.3, we're going to ping that dude. Oh, shoot. Okay, we have connectivity with that one. PC 0, 10.11. We have connectivity there. And then we're going to go to PC 2 and do the same thing. 10.19. And we have connectivity there. So the first thing we're going to do now is go to router 1. We're going to go to the CLI. And we're going to do a enable, and we're going to do debug IPRIP. Okay, so debugging's on, and so now we're going to switch to simulation mode, and we're going to do auto capture play. We're going to speed this dude up, make sure it gets done, and it's going through its process, and it's got issues because it's just looping right through here. So we're going to go back here. And we're going to type in undebug all. Okay. Then we're going to enter show IP protocols. And it shows us everything that we got going on. It says that we have a RIP version 1. One of the first things I look at with RIP is their versions. So we're going to do a show IP interface. Shows our interfaces. There's our router RIP version 1. So router 1 has router RIP version 1. Okay, so that's router 1. And we're going to do the same thing with router 0. Sorry. Take care of my dog. He's eating my popcorn. Can't have that. So we're going to do a show IP protocol. Okay. So that one says it has version 2 right here. We're going to do show IP interface. Probably the best thing to do is to copy this into Notepad, each one, and then you can go through them and you can get a good understanding of it. Show running config. There's all of our RIP version 2. Okay, so now we're going to do show running config. And let's see what version of RIP we have here. Okay, RIP version 2. So the router 1 was RIP version 1. So we kind of know that now. So let's close this and go to router 2, and let's take care of the same thing here. Okay, this is RIP version 2. Show IP interface. And then show running config. RIP version 2. Router 2. It needs network 100 on it. Okay, we need to go back to router 0, RIP version 2. This one needs network 10 on it. This one has 10. Okay, so we need to change the router RIP version 2. Okay, router RIP version 2. Okay. That was router 1. Now we need to go, let's go to router 2. Conf T. Router RIP version 2. And then we need to go network 192.168.100.0. Okay. And then router 0, we need to go conf T. Router RIP version 2, network 192.168.10.0, right? Exit. So let's do show running config. And let's see what we got going on here. Router RIP version 2 and our .10 network. Right on. Let's go to oops, I don't want that. Router 1. Let's do an exit. Show running config. There we go. Router RIP version 2. And there's my .10 network. So let's go to router 2. And there's our .100 network, router RIP version 2. They all have to be the same version is the big key with RIP that I see. So let's see, we can ping. We can ping. Okay, we pinged and we've got that reply. So that concludes this video, and we have congratulations on completing this activity. So there you have it. Thank you for watching my video.